Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, unfortunately, not much change to the previous video. No adjustment in the count. Still looking at this as a possible ABC pattern that started back here on the 16th of February. And that in this C wave, we're still going to see another low in the third wave here in circle 3, then a larger fourth and a fifth to the downside. So this is sort of, for me, still at the moment, the most likely count. However, I have to tell you, by the way, I want to first of all move those here to the left, those labels, because we want to know the resistances, but they're starting to get in the way now. The point here I try to make in this video is to help you understand, or to make you understand, that it is getting a little bit too long, this sideways action. Yeah, it's taking too long for this fourth wave, actually, of such a small degree. I was hoping to see this downside already start. Hasn't started yet. We're still moving in a just sideways range, basically, slightly upward sloping channel. Actually, I've changed the channel shape into a triangle shape because it's possible to count it at the moment as an extended Elliott Wave triangle. Yeah, we talked about that before. It sort of extended a little bit. And as I say, when I show you these micro counts, be prepared that those micro counts change a little bit. They are more for informative purposes. Some people like to scalp, so they can be very useful to understand the resistances as well. But most important, what is to understand here, what is the key level that the wave 4 here in yellow shouldn't break above? And what happens if it does so? So this yellow wave 4, yeah, if that goes above 22.8K, then it either indicates that we are already in a larger fourth wave, yeah, or that we're actually going to go up from here, for which I see indicators on many altcoin charts. Yeah, as you know, we have reached from many altcoin charts key support areas. We've seen initial reactions. Yeah, Mana is already smashing it, yeah, with 7.5% upside after it hit our target area. So we see a lot of coins already rally, but it's not entirely clear if they're already breaking out or not. But I see indications that we start to see the altcoins already turning around, possibly. Maybe they also get another low. You know, that's sort of, it's very hard in trend reversal areas. And therefore it's important to be tactical about it. But Bitcoin, yeah, you know, it's starting to take a little bit too long, basically. So if this takes on even longer, I'm going to start to favor direct upside from here, which is also why I reactivated my trading bots for Bitcoin and why I started to scale in yesterday already, and just to trade upside from here. So if it goes lower into support, I'm going to add a little bit more. But at the moment, I would say primary is still down. We will only really know if we break above 22.8K, because then this wave 4 of this degree will get very, very unlikely. So at the moment, looking at the micro count, I'm looking at this pattern as a triangle. So that we had a possible A wave to the upside, B wave to the downside, C wave to the upside, should be this one, yeah, which touched again the 38.2 fib. And ideally, as per this count at least, we should now see a D wave down and an E wave up. Then we can consider it a full triangle. Until then, again, it's a corrective price structure. It could also just be a WXY, an extended one. Yeah, showed you in the previous video that we had already counted this as WXY. But of course, this 3-wave move could only be a larger wave W with an X wave here. And then this could become a Y wave as well. So WXY just in large. That's why I mean, you know, these corrective wave patterns, they can always extend out. There's no way to say, okay, it's finished now or not. However, if we have a corrective pattern complete, that's when we can start watching for a trend reversal or for the next move. It's just, you know, when you know that we have a corrective pattern complete, like a triangle or a WXY, that's when we need to pay attention that the price could then head to the next wave. But as long as it doesn't do that, we are still in the current corrective structure. And as I said, if it takes even longer, or if we break out of the range to the upside, we have to start to consider that the low is here already in, which is, you know, you always need to think about what does that mean for my tactics. So we've got a clear signal level here at 22.8K. For me, it meant, due to the choppy nature of what we're doing at the moment, reactivation of the trading bot, plus starting to scale in, as I've done it for many altcoins as well. in the recent days. So that's sort of where we are at the moment. We'll still be in favor of one more low at least, maybe two more lows, into the area between 20k and 21.5k. It's not really possible to specify that further. Of course, there are key levels that we can be watching out for. For example, 21,536, 21,285, and 20,346. And then I would definitely consider the 20k psychological level as well. But if we go below that level and sustain there, then we probably are looking at a much deeper drop. But I'm speculating for a reversal in this area, also because I see that a lot of altcoins are currently forming a possible bottom structure. So let's see if we maybe know more later today, maybe towards the daily candle close. It's starting to look at the moment more like a triangle. It is important for this triangle to stay below the A wave low, which is at 22,660. But even if we go above that, it wouldn't necessarily be bullish. It would just probably be an extended WXY pattern. And again, only if we break above 22.8k, I have to consider that we've already bottomed, or maybe move up in a larger fourth wave. But even then, it doesn't really fit in. And wouldn't change much of the structures. It could of course always move in some kind of a diagonal pattern. So, but this can never be the primary expectation. So I'd rather say if we break above that level, we have to consider we've bottomed, with the next resistances then around 23,000, well, 24k basically. Yeah, that's the key level. And then the August highs around 25,250. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.